we're going to talk about when to harvest bok choy and which way is the best. There's three ways to harvest bok choy, but one way is the fastest way that you could get more production faster in this season. Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. When it comes down to harvesting your bok choy, you could harvest at least 3 inches and up. 3 inches would be like baby bok choy leaf, which is more like tender, soft, and really delicious, and you eat raw. And the plant doesn't have to grow the leaf massive. It doesn't waste a lot of time and energy, so the plant will just keep growing leaves and produces much faster if you harvest small. But if you want a full-grown leaf, you could harvest anywhere from 6 inches and up. Before I start this, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. It's 100% free, and every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away, and I do appreciate it. First way we're gonna show you how to do it. We could pull out the whole plant like this. Look, I'm just gonna do it right here. We pull out this plant, and you're like, oh my god, Green Tea, what you did there, would it ever grow back? No, because we pull out the plant. But we could showcase a nice bouquet of bok choy. But the reason why I pull it out, I just wanted to show you an example. And also right here, you see these buds right here, it means it bolted. Other way, you're gonna cut it here from the bottom, come up about at least 3 inches and cut it. Please make sure and remember to be 18 years and older to do this. And we're gonna come and hold it here and make a cut. I'm gonna do one hand. You could cut at least 2 to 3 inches. I'm just gonna cut it with one hand right there to show you guys. We got lots of leaves. So right here, we want them at least about 3 inches from the base. Now leaves is gonna start grow back here. So that's another way. My way, how I harvest is I come here. The plant has about, let's say, it has about 12 leaves. We're gonna remove half of the leaves, even 3/4, by coming this way. Look, we come right here and just turn it to the side. Look at this. That's how we harvest. So we're gonna harvest everything around. See the small ones? We're gonna leave all the small ones. The ones that touching the bottom, I like to remove them. I don't like nothing to touch the bottom. Keep it free. And we're gonna come remove right here. Look, all the big one. All right, so I want to show you right here. This is it. We could even harvest this one if we want, because we have multiple leaves right here to get energy and let this plant keep growing. Now this way, we come back in 4 to 6 days. This is going to be full size, like a big giant leaf right here. This is going to be full size. This is going to grow, and we could keep harvest every 5 to 6 days. No need to pull out the plant, or no need to cut it like this. This takes a very long time. I do not recommend that. I recommend it. I know it takes a little bit of time, but just pull out the leaf one by one and you have beautiful, delicious leaves. As I'm harvesting, I'm gonna have to remove some plants, and I'm gonna replant some different plants over there. I got lettuce I gotta harvest too, but I just tossed a bunch there. I don't have any container for this, so I'm gonna wash this. So we are blessed and grateful to get a harvest. No need to pull out the whole plant unless if you have to. Harvest my way. Just remove the outer leaves. Eat everything on this leaf. Healthy, delicious superfood. This is amazing. This is fresh. We know exactly what we use. We know what we spray. We didn't spray anything yet, thank God, because we didn't get no bugs. We just had attacked by the bunnies several times. They took out all my cauliflower, broccoli, and a lot more other plants. They taken away twice actually, but it's okay. We're handling, we're battling, we're planting more stuff. The sun and the weather is very strange and very hot certain days, so it will bolt most of the spring crops. All right, so now you know how to harvest and when to harvest bok choy. That's all you need to know. This is not no Google review. This is not, you know, no kind of research anywhere else. This is personally from my experience. Do it this way and you will get tons of harvest throughout the whole season. All right, thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. If you're new, welcome, and please subscribe. I do appreciate it. And for everyone who's been supporting me and watching me all the time, thank you guys so much.